On Pluto, at nearly 390 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, a vast field of frozen nitrogen ice is boiling. Not melting, not cracking, boiling. The same way water rolls in a pot on your stove, just slow enough to take centuries instead of minutes. Nobody expected to find that on a dwarf planet nearly 4 billion miles from the Sun. The frozen plain sits inside Pluto's famous heart-shaped feature, called Sputnik Planitia, and it stretches roughly 620 miles across, about the size of Texas. When NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew past on July 14, 2015, after a 9-year, 3 billion-mile journey, its cameras caught something nobody expected carved across the ice. A pattern of giant polygon cells, each 112 to 25 miles wide, fitted together like cracked mud on a dry lake bed. Those polygons are the fingerprint of convection. Warmer nitrogen ice rises slowly from Pluto's interior heat, spreads out at the surface, cools, then sinks back down at the edges of each cell, the exact same motion that drives a lava lamp or the roiling surface of the Sun, just stretched out to a pace of one full cycle every 500,000 to a million years. We post 3 of these every day, so subscribe to catch the next one before it disappears into the feed. Because Pluto isn't done surprising anyone, the deeper you look, the stranger this frozen little world gets. Here's the part that stunned scientists most. Pluto was supposed to be a geologically dead ball of ice, a cold rock with no internal engine left to power anything after 4.5 billion years. Instead, New Horizons found a world actively resurfacing itself in real time, with nitrogen ice soft enough to flow like glacier ice, and a heart that never stops turning over, all without a single crater to show how young the surface really is. Ring the bell so you don't miss what New Horizons found next. After Pluto, the same spacecraft kept flying, and on January 1, 2019, passed a tiny snowman-shaped world called Arrokoth, 4 billion miles from the Sun, capturing the last clear images humanity may ever take of it up close. 2 flybys, 1 spacecraft, and both left scientists with more questions than answers about how young and old a place this far from the Sun can really look. Nobody expected a world this far from the Sun, this deep in the cold, to still have a beating, boiling heart. Comment below, did you know Pluto's ice was still moving?